हाँ दोस्तों, आइए एमडी सलीम रहमानी एमडी इंटीरियर 313 में आपका वेलकम, आपका स्वागत है।
Hi, I'm Ramesh. MD Interiors has done a good job on my villa. I'm going to introduce the owner of MD Interior, Mr. Salim, who has done a decent job. It has taken 3.5 months to continue the work on my villa. And thank you, Salim. You have done a very decent job. And I'm going to show you around the house and explain you what all has been done on this property. Thanks, Salim. Okay, so this one here, we got a laminate board here which has a glossy finishing of the laminate, and then we have back panel we have done here, lower panel, and then we took some golden stripes here all the way to the down, and then give a bit of lighting to get that exposed a bit over there, and then we got a kind of a blue light with a glossy finishing here. So black with the blue goes really well, so that's the reason we added that. And this is what about the TV. And then now let's come to the kitchen. So luckily I do have a step section here. So basically we usually see the white wall here. So to avoid the white wall, what we did is we actually paneled it a bit, and then we got the rose gold stripes. The same stripes that we have it on the TV section has been implied here as well. So then now let's come to the kitchen part. Yes, rose gold is our theme all the way. You can see that. That's why I got the golden sink here, with a bit of lighting where you can actually change the lights by just touching off it. It got 3 or multiple options to touch. And then we got a Highlander here. Luckily, if you have a good space in the house, I think Highlander is always very useful. You can cut the vegetables, and also you can use for multiple purpose. You can use it as a dining table as well. And if you come down here, I got a nice basket as well. So here where you keep the onions and etc. here in there. And then I do have a kind of a inbuilt microwave and oven. So this one is the oven down here, and then this one is microwave here. This one is microwave, and then whatever utensils you have it in here, you can keep it in this nice panel out there up there. So and then I do have a hob and kitchen setup here, and then entire layer here is G9, nano G9 we have been used, and MD has done a decent job on this as well. And then we have all this acrylic sea green color we have chosen for this house. And another interesting thing we done here is we do have pretty much dishwasher here. So dishwasher is in here, is inbuilt here. That's the reason here you can see the panel come a little bit up from the ground, almost an inch or two we have to go up because of that. And then we do have here this underwater sink. Nowadays we are getting the latest models where you can use underwater sink here, and then you just leave the water here, you get the drinking water here. It's pretty easy. And then we have a acrylic doors as well here nicely, and then with the rose gold is a part of our theme in the entire kitchen. And also we do have a standalone fridge which can use for multiple purpose, where you can get ice cold and crushed ice and as that. And this is what we got a panel for nice doors with the black and blue. Again we went to the same concept that we went with the hall. So this one is for profile doors for the crockery unit. So this is what it is. Okay, so we also have this rose gold theme display unit here, which come up kind of little brownish, but still it syncs with our laminates here anyway. And if you look at here, as for the mandir section, which is totally separated from the kitchen, and we want to keep it in the hall, which is in the east side anyway. So this is a CNC cut. We made CNC cut with the nice bells on it, and added some additional theme of the mandir here. And then we got a Korean cut here. So basically this one is computerized cut on the Korean tile. So when you switch off the power, you actually won't see anything that is there behind. But once you switch on the power, then you will see the Korean cut, and this actually really looks very nice once the power is on. So this is the mandir, and I also have a little theme here where we want to keep some kind of Buddha or Krishna statue here, and this also has done very well. And as you can see, we have done a lamination with the veneer. So this is the main door that we got in here, and I also have a bit of digital lock added to the hall, to the door. And also we got nice curtains which actually syncs with the room colors. And then when it comes to the ceiling, what we have done here is a CNC cutting, which is CNC cutting, and then on top of that we had a white acrylic, and then to get that power out, we actually added 10 LEDs on top of that, and that actually looks very decent. I think it's a bit elegant as well, and that's what we did when it comes to the hall. Yeah, so, as you can see, the acrylic part here, we got CNC cutting with a white acrylic board that we have taken on top of that, and then over that, to get a good decent light with the cool white, I went with LED. The kind of 10 lights been fitted in the top of that, and then I got a warm light for the ceiling where it gives you a decent look. I think it has come up very well. So we have done nice paneling for the doors as well here, and then now we are going to the guest bedroom. So this is our guest bedroom. In the guest bedroom, we got sliders here. So we got slider doors with the color combination. We have taken these ones here, and then we do have a glossy writing board embedded to the wall. And also, I'm going to show you the dressing area, and we got nice themed curtains as well there. And you can see here, this is the dressing area where we have a nice tiles here, the latest designing tile, and also a bit of quartz I added here on the floor here. And we do have a bit of dressing area, so I had a couple of more mirrors here to give a better and aesthetic look. Thank you. So this one here, we have actually added customized blinds. You can see here my kids' little one photos I added here just to give a bit of a look for the steps. And also, if you come up here, what we have here is a sit-out area for the first floor. In here again, we actually got the blinds, which are pretty much themed to the bit of darker than the ground floor. And also, if you see here, we got a nice ceiling, simple ceiling actually, didn't do much of ceiling here, but what we got here is pretty much our, the granite that we have on the walls everywhere. So we went with the same color of theme laminate here, and this is the TV section that we want to add on the top floor here. And then if you come down here, what we got here is a children's bedroom. In the children's bedroom, We kind of went with children favorite colors, etc. As you can see here, stars and clouds, they want to add it all the way. And then when you come here, we have a nice table, the boy and girl, so they have their own table here. Again, we embedded here with the writing glass so that they can just write it and wipe it up, not to look bad. And also, if you look at here, the same theme color I took, kind of pinkish color I took for the window blinds and also the fan. And then if you see the ceiling here, which is pretty cool, right, with the cloud and stars. So they always prefer, they want cloud and stars in their bedroom. And also if you come down here, Monish likes Superman or Spider-Man and also the cars. So I added these two themes here on the one board, which is a slider door again. And for the girl, she prefers Cinderella and all these characters, so I added that. And then also added some cool mirror here for the kids with a decent size for them to enjoy. And also when I go to the handles, also pretty much went for the cool Barbie girl handles as well across the doors and everywhere. So this is what the kids room, and hope you like the kids room. And now we are going into the main bedroom, master bedroom. And the master bedroom, I do have, okay, this one here again we got nice paneling for the doors as well, edges. And here my office, kind of office setup here, where we can actually store some books here on the up here, where I put couple of boxes here. And also again, the same writing board here, so where you can just write it down and use it for easy scrub as well. And then I have a cushion here. If you see around, I have all cushion added to even to the bed, and also the bed back. As you can see here, the bed back also got the cushion added here nicely. So the back panel is nicely paneled and cushioned as well. And I went bit of dark theme with the laminates here, as you can see on the both sides, and also the cushion with the very light one to give a bit of a nice view for the bedroom. And then what I got is Aristo doors here. Of course, they look really big, massive, but it's very easy to move around and take it out and close it as well. It has a nice controls on the top and the bottom. The fittings are amazingly good, and there was a decent job that has been done on here. And as you can see here, it has been nice locking system as well. It closed nice itself. And these are very huge cupboards here. So to make it easy, we have a nice rollers below here. So we added nice rollers to the board. And then we do have even the bed lamps, we want to keep it on the cushion one. So we went with that theme even for the bed lamp section as well. And if you see here, a simple ceiling, false ceiling here that has done here, and pretty much this bedroom is kind of look cool place here. Now, so okay, once we are done with the bedroom, what we got here is a dressing area for the bedroom. So what we had here is a profile light, so to give a bit of a nice view for the profile. If you look at here, so kind of I added the profile light here, and a bit of lighting as well with the small lights here to get the better view, because this need more lighting here in this room. So that's the reason I added more lights in this area. And this is our pretty much our dressing area of the bedroom. So this is how we wrap up with our. So the final words is thanks Salim for the good job. Yeah, I mean the price wise it is pretty much closer to almost close to 20 lakhs we have spent on this house, but it has come up really very well. And yes, initial quotes with the budget is around 12 to 13 lakhs, but we have a bit of enhancement that has been added to every room pretty much. So that's the reason it went a little bit high, but end of the day we are very happy the way the house has come up. Thanks Salim, thank you very much for your fantastic job, and keep it up and be on time with your work. That will be great. Thanks. Yeah, thanks.